Hello everyone, today we are exploring the powerful Honiture V8 Pro robot vacuum and mop combo. This impressive device features 5,000 pascals of suction and a massive 3-hour battery life. Its advanced LiDAR navigation system maps your entire home in only 8 minutes for total efficiency. The versatile 3-in-1 system vacuums and mops simultaneously to keep every floor perfectly clean. Smart sensors identify carpets instantly to boost suction and remove hidden pet hair or deep dust. Easily use the mobile app to set virtual boundaries and schedule your custom cleaning sessions anytime. The vacuum automatically returns to its base to recharge before finishing any remaining tasks with ease. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.